Hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Michael, and we're back with another Neil News Network.
We have a lot of outdoor activities to cover.
So get ready. With the school year coming to a close, it's almost that time of the year again for the annual carnival.
We have plenty of food, games, and activities at this year's carnival.
Here we have Daniel giving us some insight on what is happening at the carnival.
All right, so we are here joined by
Diablo Diez.
And Muscles Normandy for one last battle.
What are your expectations today about the match?
Well, we're here to celebrate our retirement from wrestling.
We had a great career. We've highlighted some of our best times is selling out Madison Square Gardens. But nowadays, we're playing to crowds of 4, maybe 5 people in Sioux Lookout, sometimes in Wawa. Things aren't good for us. It's time to pass the torch. Time for us to move on to bigger and better things.
Who's gonna win on this match?
Well, to be honest, we've got a couple pies here, and we thought, we're getting old and we're all bruised up, that we're gonna end this rivalry once and for all by seeing who can eat this pie the fastest.
It's not about winning. We all know Muscles never loses. I've never been pinned. I've never seen the lights. For those who don't know wrestling, that means I've never had my back pinned. I don't expect to ever lose. I always go out as a winner. I always sit beside a loser.
All right, good luck for the both of you. Hey, what's up, everyone? We're back at it again with another student view, and today we are here at the 2019 Carnival. All right, we're here joined by
Cello,
Dwayne.
Kavishka Gomez, Jaden, Mackenzie, Montague,
Daniel,
Tyler.
Anthony, Dante,
Tyrone.
Jean-Luc Foodie.
Fraser,
What is something that you like about Carnival?
I like the ice cream.
I'm grateful that I'm standing here with Jermaine right now.
All the students having fun,
Basically, it was an easy day because we barely had no class.
obviously the best part everyone knows is the Rance and Diaz showdown. That's what everyone stays for.
It's warm. I don't have school today. It's a really easy day. I just did nothing in class. Thank you, Mr. Rosa.
It's just fun, getting to feel all my guys. It's just fun just hang out with them, having some fun instead of just being in school, it's a lot better.
Well, it brings everyone together, some people you usually wouldn't talk to because you don't have class with them. Bring them together, and we get to see Mr. Ranson and Mr. Diaz clash.
You're making new friends?
Yeah, I know. I'm friends with everyone. Just building better bonds.
I like the free burgers they give and all the activities they do.
What are you trying to? What's your motive? What are you trying to participate in?
I don't know. I'm just gonna muck him in this. Foodie, NHL prospect.
You going in this? All right, good luck, bro.
I just came to crunch a few burgers and, watch the Diablo Diez versus Muscles Normandy fight.
I actually want to try everything. I especially like the bounce outs on the end with the race. That was really fun.
Dunk a teacher.
So who do you think's gonna be? Who do you think's gonna sit right there?
I hope Mr. Diaz.
Why is that?
It'll just be funny.
Well, he already dived in, didn't he?
Dunk him again.
Well, I'm trying to, play all the games here. I already mucked Anthony in one thing. I killed him.
You're gonna dominate everyone?
I'm probably gonna play him in this thing here, throw him right over the edge, dominate him again. No chance. As you can see, he's already scared. He's shivering.
No class. I'm so happy about that. And listen, I saw that fight between what's his name? Diablo Diez and who's the other fight? Normandy. Yeah, there's names. My bad. But that was sick. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I was sick.
Carnival sure was fun.
I couldn't agree more.
But not only do we have the students at the carnival, we have the teachers that made it all happen.
So here we have Miss Orr and Miss Duarte.
I'm here with
Miss Orr.
And Mr. Duarte.
Can you tell us a little bit about what goes into making the carnival?
A lot of work.
There's a lot of prep work. There's the calling of the places to order the burgers. We got to order the buns. We got to order all the inflatables. We got to organize teachers, organize students, make sure everybody's in the right place.
Order the wristbands, get the drink mix, condiments, lots of trips to Costco, a lots of phone calls, lots of time, but it's worth it. I mean, look at all these kids enjoying it.
And the ice cream
Oh
truck.
yeah, don't forget the ice cream truck. But look at these kids enjoying it, eh? It's great. It's a great day. Great day.
What are some of the activities that the students can do?
Well, look around. There's lots. There's 7 inflatables on the field, all for ranging from dodgeball to obstacle courses.
Basketball hoops, there's
maze.
jolting, a maze.
And then always the epic match between Muscles Normandy and Diablo Diez. And right now we have one of our student council members in the dunk tank raising some money for some good causes.
Let's take a break from the carnival, as we have many school events to cover.
Last weekend, the boys at Neil McNeil went to Campo.
They had a fun-filled weekend doing fun activities.
Let's see what they did down there.
I'm here with
Brendan.
Zach.
Antonio.
Tristan. How was Campo?
It was really fun.
It was a great experience, met a lot of people.
But yeah, we had a great time at Campo, a lot of school spirit, Neil McNeil.
It was just a lot of fun. We got to hang with the boys, meet some new people. It was all around a great time.
What did you do at Campo?
We did lots of team building exercises, and we heard some speakers.
It's pretty fun.
Yeah, so there was zip lining, there was rock climbing. We also did cheers, a lip sync. There was speakers that talked about leadership.
Pretty much covered it all. I think, yeah.
Last question. What are your thoughts on Campo?
It was a great experience. I learned a lot. I really enjoyed it.
It was a great experience for our senior year. It was good to have it, meet a lot of people on our way out of high school, get closer with our brothers. It's pretty fun.
At first I thought it was going to be boring, but it actually turned out to have fun at Campo. It's a really great experience. I think everyone should go there.
For me, it was a great leadership experience. It taught me a lot about how to become a better leader. Also was a great time to be away from school, just relax, let off some stress.
In other news, we have our very own Michael, Chris, and Callum who competed in the rugby competition.
The rugby team put in a lot of hard work.
So here we have Callum interviewing Michael from the rugby team.
Today I'm with
Michael,
and we're going to be asking him a couple questions. So, what elements do you rely on as a team in order to win?
well, I think the two most important elements in order to win would probably have to be trust and communication. You want to trust that your players know what they have to do in each situation. You got to be able to communicate and talk to each other on the field.
What mindset do you get into before each game?
Well, you got to go into every game wanting to win. Wanting is half the battle. If you don't, you're just setting yourself up for failure.
Now, we all know that rugby is a very physical game. A lot of hurting, a lot of scars, a lot of bruises. How do you recover from each game?
Our coach, Ian McLeish, has a recession each morning after every game. He stresses stretching and eating and drinking, and a proper amount of sleep is very important to get your body ready for the next one.
Thank you, Michael. Back to you guys.
That is all from this Neil News Network.
But remember, Fidelis and Arduous.